Hello, well, yes, this is, of course, Cinnamon. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I thought I'll install this. I've gotten rid of Windows. Windows has now finally gone for good. Just going to take my headphones off, pop them over there. Right, now, absolutely fantastic. So I got Cinnamon in, and after seeing a video last night, there's some tweaks that I want to do to this. I've never liked the default theming. I've never liked the icon theme either here in Linux Mint, so I've always got to add my own, and I've scoured out the internet, if you like, to find it. Now, last night on this particular drive, on this system, I did have KDE, and yeah, I had a pretty good experience, but there's something not quite right with it. And it's the same with Cinnamon as well. Why can't we have smaller panels here in Cinnamon? I know it's not supposed to be a tweaker's dream like XFCE. We'll go to XFCE then, that's what everyone will say. But it's the same in KDE as well. All you can do is just heighten the panels up, just make them bigger. You can't change the actual length, as in from here to here, you know what I mean? So you make them shorter. You can't do that. I don't know why. Why didn't they make it so that you can do that? Be different. Same in Mate as well. Why can't you do it in there? Does everything else, doesn't it? It's got all these snaps and goodness knows what else in Mate. Not the Linux Mint version. But I mean, shorten down be great. Because then you'll be able to customize, and you'll have an operating system that is still classed as the one to come to if you're coming over from Windows. Do you get what I mean? So that everyone can tweak this to their heart's content. Yes, I could move that up to the top if I really wanted to and have something like a plank down at the bottom, but I don't want that. I'd rather use the tools that are in front of me, but yeah, they're the only gripes I've got about Cinnamon, really. Oh, there's one more gripe which I'll go into later on, but that's nothing to do with Linux Mint. Okay, so, yeah, I've just installed this. I've got NVIDIA drivers on. I haven't even touched them yet. We're going through OBS. Everything's tickety-boo. It's recording. I hope it's recording well. Let's just take a look. Yep. Earlier on, my desktop audio was also showing my microphone as well, which isn't good. Not good at all. So, without further ado, let's get on in here into lovely Nemo. Love Nemo. Really do love Nemo. Right, we'll bring that on up to there. We'll go into Documents. This is a folder for me to tweak this system on out with. I've got new themes. I've got new fonts as well. Well, one new font anyway. It's the Inter font. Where is it? Is it there? Yeah. Inter font. There it is there. It was after seeing a video last night, and his looked really good. Yes, he was on a laptop, but I can never see these blasted menu icons. Yeah, I can see them, but I can't see them. Do you know what I mean? They seem to be too small. So I'm actually in 1080 at the moment, going out at 60 hertz, recording in 1440p because it's able to upscale for me, which is really, really good. Do I lose any quality doing it that way? Not really. So I've got these to install, so let's get on and get this done. I've got some themes to install as well. Do I need all of these? I don't think I do. I just need them, really. Do I need Roboto? Not really. Yeah, we'll go for them four there, I think. Let me just copy them. May as well keep them on here. Go into File System. We'll go User or utter, if you like. It's not user. Like I've said before, it is Universal Service Repositories. I think that's what that stands for. You can correct me if I'm wrong. H-I-A-B-C-D-E-F. You're after the letter F, you idiot. Right, let's get down to the letter F. There we go. True type. I've already updated Ubuntu restricted extras and all of that. So everything's fine there. Let's just open up as a root. Pop these in here. Boink. Get them going. Extract here. And we'll delete them now. They're in. They're in. In at number 1. Vibrocentric I probably can't use because you can't change the clock font on in Cinnamon, which is absolute pain. We'll go back to user. Always call it user. I don't know why. It's not that at all. No, it isn't. I'll go back into documents. What do I need here for installation? Yeah, there's hardly anything to go on in there. What I will eventually do, of course, is bring on over better lock screen as well. Eventually, this is going to be my gaming distro. Yeah, and I'm game. Oh wow! Once I've got my new system built for gaming, that's what this is going to be. But I'm using my main one for gaming on at the moment. But I wanted to keep them separate, if that makes sense. We have a thing called Nova OS, Nord. Brilliant theme. It's blue, completely blue. Really good theme though. He had a lot of undershoot lines like you get here in these blooming things in the theme. No need for them. There really is no need for them. Not this day and age. Even on a laptop, you can get away with it. No matter how small your fonts are or how small your resolution is, doesn't matter. You can get away without having them, and I've proved it so many times that you just don't need them. So let's get this one in here. Paste that in there. I need Sardi Ghost? Not at this time, I don't think. I might though. No, I will definitely need that one though, as well as. So if we go like that and like that, we should be able to extract here. Oh, I ain't gonna need that one because it doesn't pick up. It's such a shame. You see, if you made this Cinnamon just a little bit more like XFCE, where we could pick out better window decorations, because I really would like that. It gives it a nice border around. But saying that, we can on this anyway. So what I do want is mint white dark blue to be kept. Yeah, I think it'll be that one that will work. We're gonna have to see. Have I? Yeah, I have. So let's get rid of that one and that one. Like I say, I don't like their themes, so I'm gonna have to go into this one just to see what it's like. So I'm gonna go on into themes. It's trial and error. Let's go down to themes and we'll pick those out. We're gonna go for advanced. Oh, I do want a dark one. Should have picked this out ages ago. We'll go advanced. Yeah, it's just gone with sand. It's just gone with blue, dark aqua type blue. Now I definitely don't want this mouse. I'd rather just have DMZ, just your normal DMZ. Icon theme I will pick out in a minute. What I want is dark, mint white dark blue on there. We're going to go with Nova OS. I want to see what that's like. Looks really, really good, doesn't it? Looks really, really good out of the bag. Of course, won't be using them. No, well, I thought that it was blue, you see. Blue dark. Weird. So no matter what you have around there, there'll still be... What if I was to have this differently then? What if I was to have... Where I got this round the wrong way. We should have that as blue and have this for applications, the Nova. That's what that is. Yeah, that's the problem. I want the curved edge round, you see? That's the problem. So the only thing about this is too straight round here. I like the curved edge around. Oh God, is there anything else that I can add to this? See, I don't want that being yellow either. Horrible. For it being black like it is there. This is one of the problems. So yeah, I would have to have this blue then. Mint white grey, mint white blue, so that I can get that nice curved. But for the rest of it, it's the Nord OS. Yeah, what a shame. I actually wanted that all blue, but never mind. Doesn't matter. I've got a nice icon theme as well to go on over. So that'll do there. Let me just go on into the blue here. Mint white blue. Mint white dark blue. Yep, we're in there. Let's just go on into here. Change these around. Open with Text Editor. And we'll go Find undershoot. Excellent. Bring that on out. Copy that. Bring that on over. Get rid of them. They look so ugly. So Linux Mint team, for God's sake, in the next rendition of your Linux Mint, get rid of these undershoot lines. You really do not need them in your themes. You never had them before. You never had them years ago in your themes. Suddenly, you're copying everyone else. Don't copy everyone else because they're all wrong most of the time. I will save that away. We've just got one more file to do. That was all four, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, there are no more on here. Undershoot. Yeah, we just got that. Transparent. Lovely. Right, we'll go on into here now. Do the same again. I know it opens up over there for some reason. Right, undershoot. A lot of people wouldn't be bothered about the undershoot lines, but I am. I'm a fussy bloke. They just look ugly to me. I don't know what they look like to you or a majority of you lot out there. But to me, it looks absolutely terrible. Not good at all. And we'll just do this last one. And we'll paste that on in there. Brilliant. Oh, no, it's the second to last one. Oopsie daisy. All I've got to do is just swap out the themes. So the mint Y dark blue. Yep, that should be everything now. 2, 3, and 4. There's no more. No. I don't know why they got to have that in there. But hey ho, that's been saved now. We should be able to just go to another theme and then pop back in. We should be able to do that. And go back in to there. And there shouldn't be any more undershoot lines. There we go. They've all gone. So it's only those 2 files of undershoots that you've got to do on here. Whereas in the Nova OS, it's nearly all of them. The GTK 4, 3, and 2, I think, have got all these undershoots in. There's quite a lot of them in the GTK 4 part of that theme. So yeah, I think I'll keep it with the blue. But there is another blue. There's the aqua. I quite like this blue because it does blend in well with this one, maybe. What's the aqua like? What is the aqua like? Would it blend in more with this blue? So what's a legacy blue like? That's aqua. That might be a better one. Legacy blue. That looks more purple to me. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. It's a strange one. Look, this video's gone on way too long now. Me mucking around with themes. I've still got to do the icon theme as well. There's other stuff to be done. So this will probably be a 2-part video. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to shorten this down enough to be able to get it in for like 20 odd minutes. I don't know. Still, I think that will do for this video. Thank you very much for watching. In the next video, we'll be doing everything else. But for this video, I'm just testing the waters at the moment. But what I haven't showed you before I go, I'm going to get it installed, is the lovely the icon theme itself. So we're going to go back to share, come down to up to icons. It's a beautiful icon theme. It really, really is. It took me a while to find, but I thought, yeah, I'm using it on my daily drive in my XFCE. Really, really nice. And it complements this particular theme really well. FG, well, I think so anyway. Right, pop it in there. Let's extract an error code while extracting files. Really? Directory not empty. What be going on there? Hang on, let's see if we can move to it. I hope so. Don't look like it's gone on in properly, does it? Oh no! What is going on? Oh well, I may have to just download it and do it that way. You can't. Really good icon theme. Really, really good. Damn it. Well, that is it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. For now.